Well, it's February 2013. This is the South Dock area, floating docks built in 2008 at Waukegan Harbor. And we're getting close to the boating season. Of course, we're at our historic Lake Michigan, lowest ever recorded water level. So we're excited about our first mooring up here. And it should be crazy because of all the drought-related low water level that all the local boat ramps are closed because they're steady in the air. There's no way of floating your boat off your trailer. So we were lucky to get a spot here. It costs about $2,400 for the season. They're very limited. Look at the gas dock down there. So 2013 February at Waukegan Harbor before the season starts.